Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport P300e Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you're going to find further features, all courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss mid-silver contrast. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your darkened LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. We're also able to fit a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. To the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats with their lunar grey stitch, and glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Advancing over at your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.